cheesy, delicious crab omelette. This is what it takes to get your omelette game a level up or notched up. It's so good. It's so simple. It's just onions, some crab sticks, but look at the flavor it makes or it does. It's just so amazingly good. Yeah. So let's start. Here we have some mozzarella cheese and grated Eden cheese, some crab sticks, and here's my OCD style. After cutting the onions, I put them all together. Yep. So let's start. Here, a full list will be in the description below. All right, so you can check it out later. All right, so get the oil hot like this. Yes. And then the onions. There's one small onion. So we're gonna make two batches of omelette. One for me and one for my brother. So the one small onion for one omelette that has two. That will use two eggs that we beat. Okay, make sure everything is separated good like this, and then all oiled up, so it's gonna fry really good. We don't want to overcook this, so we want it all separated like this, good. Yes, you can cut it better than I did, but that is good enough. You know, just make sure everything is separated like that. It's gonna get softer as it goes. All right. Now here, it's all good now. We just lower the heat. We put the egg. There's two eggs beaten. Try to spread it out equally all around like that on the surface. Make sure on the middle is not, there's no bare surface. This way it's gonna, be the foundation for all the cheese and the crab sticks. All right. Now, half of the mozzarella cheese that I grated, the other half is gonna be for me, or whichever one ends up for my brother and mine. And then the other half of the Eden cheese, I like to add Eden cheese after the mozzarella because the Eden cheese has a bit of salt in it. So now here, some crushed black pepper, freshly ground, of course. And then we season it with salt. Now we can put the crab sticks. We separated it, made sure they're in strips. Put it all together there, so the cheese will melt it. It's gonna be like sort of like a pizza, but not quite. There you go. Okay, now we cover it in low heat for about 2 minutes. So this way it's gonna cook the top side good. Here it is. 2 minutes later, it's looking really good. Yes. Now we season it with Italian seasoning. You can season it however you want, but we just like using Italian seasoning and then parsley flakes, and that makes it so good. All right, now this is about ready. Let me show you up close. Oh, you look at that! So simple yet so elegantly good. Yep. Now we fold this here. Wait. Make sure we fold this good so that we can transfer it to a plate. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good, yes. Flatten that a bit. Now to fold the other side. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Oh wait. Oh, it's not going with it. Oh, come on. Let me use my hand here. Yep. Oh, there you go. Oh, that one's not folding. Oh, it's opening up. Oh, but this is good now. Yes, now we get my brother's plate. I use this oval plate or the lengthwise plate. It's gonna be hard because the non-stick, the scraper is soft. It folds, so we gotta help it like this. Make sure you don't bring the oil with it, so it's gonna be, so that it won't be that bad. And we don't want a super oily omelette. Here it is. Let me fix that. Let me show you here on the plate. Oh yeah. Wait, show you. There's the cheese right there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so simple. It looks really good, right? So now, next batch is mine. 2 eggs beaten to a good froth. Yeah, make sure everything is covered up there. Oh no, there's like the center part is kind of open, but okay, we gotta work on that. There you go. Okay, let me make sure the heat is low so it doesn't overcook the omelette. Now the rest of the mozzarella cheese first. We spread it evenly all around the surface. And then the Eden cheese. I put all of it now because, this is the rest here. Oh, yeah. More cheese, so good. Okay. Now, the crab sticks. Yes, we make sure it gets cooked by the steam of when you cover the pan. It's gonna be so good and simple. All right, then this time we season it early. Some dried parsley flakes, and then the Italian seasoning. Yes, all right. Okay, make sure it's slow. Cover it for 2 minutes, and you'll see it'll puff up bigger. Oh, you see that? It's a lot bigger now. Make sure that everything is low. Okay. Oh, my dog is right there. Eggs, he's pretending he's checking at something on the floor, but I'm sure he's just waiting. If something falls off, he's gonna have it. Oh, but look at those omelet is good. We'll follow the other side. Sorry, my hand's covering the phone. Just having a hard time unfolding it. Oh, it's stuck. Oh no. No, but this is a non-stick, so it's gonna be easy. You can scrape it like this. There you go. Okay. There you go. Now we're gonna put this on my plate. Oh, but it looks so good, right? Yeah. Let me unclip the phone and show you guys. Here. Oh, would you look at that? Yes, cheesy, delicious crab omelette. Yes, I had the other scraper there, the steel one, so you can get it good. Now here it is on the dining table. This is for my brother, and this is mine. Oh yeah, would you look at that? It's so good, right? Yep, you can click here for other good stuff, but oh man, look at that. This is so good. You gotta try this because it's so simple. Just onions and crab sticks. Yep. And thanks for watching and subscribe. This way you can check out all the other good stuff here. Alright? Yeah.